Everyone, welcome to my channel. So the today's topic is the stress test on mutual funds, especially on mutual funds like schemes like small cap and mid cap. So why it has been why it has came into the notice, because when we are seeing the most of the amount is invested into the, especially in the mid cap stocks and the small cap stocks. So SEBI has seen there is a fourth, that means the time has come that we should have some kind of being away from these highly risk schemes like mutual funds, and they wanted to protect the investors, small investors, from the risk. They wanted to know at least what is the risk they are taking in the name of investing in schemes like small caps and mid caps, because when the markets is a huge sell off happens or huge volatility happen, so the immediately the more cut we are seeing, we can see only the major cut we can see in small caps and mid caps. So they wanted to make sure the investors should realize what the risk they are into. So for that reason, they have asked all the AMCs to give the result of stress test on the small caps and mid caps on their own website for every 15 days. So this 15th they have given the results on stress test on these websites on these small caps and mid caps. So first, what is this? So the stress test means how easily, how much time they can liquidate the entire portfolio. At least 50% portfolio they can liquidate, either it is mid caps and small caps. How much time it will take? So because whenever there is a sell off, the everyone wants to redeem. So this we have seen in the case of Island FS issues in 2018, when they couldn't able to redeem when there is a huge downfall in the debt scheme. So that may happen in even in the small cap. So that's they wanted to check the liquidity, how fast the AMCs can sell off their portfolio, can give the money to the people who are redeeming their mutual fund schemes like small and mid cap. So in this test, especially few companies have given. The Nippon is saying that it will take for us almost 27 days to liquidate 50% of portfolio, and Edelweiss says within 2 days we can do it, and Quant says we'll take only 6 days to liquidate, and Axis says we need 28 days, and SBI says we need almost 32 days, and DSP says we need 5 days. So like that, every mutual fund company has given from 3 days to the 50 days range, that much time. So that means the more time they are taking to liquidate means it is a little bit risk is there. So everyone, the clients and investors, whomever investing, has to understand that basing on this test results, how much risk they are taking up. This is the only intention, not to make the entire market and entire small caps and mid caps to get into risk, not at all. So now if we are seeing like in this fall of what we have seen in the sell off, in the recent sell off in March 13th, so the from peak we are seeing almost 14% and 13% cut to all maximum. The entire index has corrected by 13 to 14% small cap index. So majorly, if you are taking the schemes of mutual funds, the small cut we are seeing in their NAVs and in their returns is only the SBI, ICICI and Kotak has got only 7%, but some other companies like small caps like Quant and HSBC, LIC, these companies, small caps, have lost a bit compared to these companies like SBI and ICICI and Kotak. So now you have to see, by taking all these things into consideration, how much risk are the small cap schemes. So reduce your portfolio in the small caps and try to manage with having more large caps, so that you can balance, or else you be ready to take the risk and how much risk you are taking. So let have informed risk, and calculative risk is better than not having any kind of idea and taking the risk instantly. So this is how about these stress tests is all about. So have a watch on this, so you will get more information.